Okay, new coding concepts, string justification. In flyweight column.py, there are commands center, left justify, and right justify. Okay, so down here where it gets data, I create a blank string ret, short for return. For data in self data, I make ret longer and longer each time, depending on the response of the flyweight factory. Then, in these next three conditional expressions, only one of them will resolve to true, and that is if justify equals 0, 1, or 2. That was set up here when I initialized the column. Justify default equals 0, justify. I'll either center justify the return string, left justify the return string, or right justify the return string. So that's what's going on, those three lines. It's three conditional expressions. Excellent. So in order to try that out, you can run that using the Python interactive console. The first one, create a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, dot center, and I can use 20 spaces to decide how that is centered. There we go. And that's what I'm also using as my column width in the last video to make the table appear rectangular. Another one, right justify. Okay, and left justify. All right, there you go. Quite simple little string functions that you can use there that you might find useful one day. Excellent. In the next video, we'll talk about the proxy. Excellent.